In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger and access it using phpMyAdmin. Whether you're setting up your first database or just looking to streamline your current setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need to get started. First, navigate to the Hostinger website. This is where you'll be managing your databases, so go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Hostinger dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the hosting options and tools you might need. Next, find the Manage option. This will take you to the management area of your chosen web hosting package. Everything you want to change or set up related to databases can be found here. It might look daunting at first, but remember, our focus today is solely on databases. Now on the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. This menu lists various options, and what we're looking for is labeled Databases. This is your gateway to creating new databases and accessing existing ones through phpMyAdmin, a popular tool that provides a user-friendly interface for working with MySQL databases. Once you've found the database section, click on it. You're now ready to access phpMyAdmin. Clicking on phpMyAdmin will direct you to the platform where you can manage your databases with ease. This interface allows you to perform many actions without having to run SQL commands manually. To proceed, you need to enter phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and click the Enter phpMyAdmin button. This action brings you to the phpMyAdmin dashboard, which can feel a bit overwhelming if this is your first time here. However, don't worry, we're focusing only on what's necessary for importing a database file. Look for the Import tab on the top menu bar of phpMyAdmin. The import feature is a convenient tool for bringing external SQL files into your database. This means any structured data files that are prepared in advance can seamlessly be added to your database. Click on the Choose File button that appears. This allows you to browse your local device for the SQL file you wish to import. Make sure your file is prepared and saved in SQL format, as it's the most compatible with phpMyAdmin. After selecting the file, you're almost at the finish line. Now click on Go. This is the final step that confirms your decision to import the selected file into your database. After a short processing time, your database should now be updated with the data from your file. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to create a MySQL database in Hostinger and manage it with phpMyAdmin. With practice, you'll become more comfortable navigating around, allowing you to customize and maintain your databases efficiently. Thanks for watching, and